Hello, my name is Lauren, and today I'm going to talk a little bit more about what a big bang is over here at Anubex. If we look at any IT project, the biggest subject that comes to mind is risk management. Risk management in data migration is a pretty big block to get over because not a lot of people have a lot of experience under their belt due to the fact that most people only encounter a migration in their organization or in any organization just once. People fastly go towards the principle of divide and conquer in data migration. In that way, you might think that you will reduce the risk in your migration process. Actually, you probably make yourself a recipe for total failure of the project. You can do it this way. No, sorry, you should even do it this way only if two key aspects are in place. Key aspect one is that all the data is nicely encapsulated and there are no data sharing from database to database or from subsystem to subsystem. The second key aspect is that the entire scope of the data is still large enough, which can be easily between 10 to 20 million lines of code per subsystem. If these aspects or requirements are not met, the following scenario will be unfold. Temporary interfaces will be required in between subsystems in order for the application to have the same integrity and working, of course. There will be months of time invested in building and testing those interfaces, which will all be completely lost once the project is completed. As more and more subsystems are migrated, it takes more time and, of course, effort in order to update and make new interfaces to make the applications work. In the end, more time has been spent on building and maintaining these interfaces than on the actual migration project itself. The conclusion is that instead of reducing your risk during your migration project, you actually enhance it by far. The divide and conquer approach has become right now the main reason for excessive cost, time, and ultimately project failure. To address this issue, here at Anubex, we created a process, methodology combined with automation that allows us to migrate applications many times in an iterative way through the cycle of transforming code, converting data, testing, fine-tuning our tools, but you can always check more or find more detailed videos of migratonomy and automated transformation on our YouTube channel. For sure, check them out. You get a picture. We transform code, we convert data, we test, we find differences and correct our tools. We correct our tools, and at the end of the project, we have gone through this process a few hundred times. Some call this approach the Big Bang, and they are scared of it. But here at Anubex, we have been involved in almost 100 migration projects, and we know that this is the best way to do it.